Okay, so you want to upgrade your space but you don't know where to shop? Look no further, I got you back. What's up, Seashells? It's Shelby and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, I'm going to show you that you don't need to spend your life savings to upgrade your apartment. So today I'm going to show you how you can do that with TEMU. That's crazy because I literally just got some stuff for dirt cheap over there. When you say crazy cheap, how cheap are we talking? Like $1? How? Because I used your coupon code, and remember I got $20 off because I had over $20 of stuff in my cart. Oh yeah! Exactly. Totally forgot about that. So all you have to do, if you don't already have the app, is just go on your app store, download the TEMU app, and type in my code, which will be up on the screen. And all the items that you're gonna see are exclusive items that qualify for $20 off. So you can literally get accessories, clothes, home essentials, all that stuff. So as homegirl said, if you put something in your cart for like $21, you basically only pay $1 because you got $20 off. Exactly. So remember to use my code KCP3486 so you can get $20 off your next order. So last year I also did a New Year reset, like a New Year home reset, and I got a bunch of stuff from TEMU. So of course I already got something out of the collection. I'm already wearing something which is this cute like Valentine's Day pajama set. Of course I had to get it in black. It's a nice cowl neck design, which I think is really cute. If you have more girls than I do, then it would look a lot better on you, but work with what I have. And because it was so cute, I had to get it in 2 more colors. It was actually a set of 3, but you know, you get the point. So I had to get it in red, and I also got it in this cute pastel pink. So cute. I don't know about you guys, but I'm a sucker for some boxers, and it's because I'm single now. I'm gonna have nobody boxers for teeth. I'm just have to go buy my own. So I got a set of boxers. What's this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different pairs of boxers for me to lounge in, for me to sleep in. I don't know what it is about boxers, but they are just so comfy. Like, look at them. They kind of look long like basketball shorts too, but you know, we're gonna make the most of it. They're all in the size small. Now that I look at it, I probably should have gotten an extra small, but they're in size small, and that's fine. I lounge in them, I go to sleep in them. If I have on a fly fit and I feel like I need the waistband of my boxers to show, I can throw these on. You feel me? You feel me? Of course, again, I have them on right now, but I finally got some house slippers. I finally got some bed slippers, and they had to be black. Of course they had to be black. They are, first of all, my exact size. I actually got them in 40 to 41, and that is a little bit bigger than my size, but for some reason I was like, I feel like I need to size up in these, because really and truly I wear 39. So this was the perfect fit for some reason, and they're really comfy. They're really soft and velvety. I just absolutely love them. I'm usually in the house barefooted, or I have them little slippers going always to my wear, but I don't want to wear those anymore. I want to be comfy, okay? So I'm happy that my feet are in some soft slippers now. I know my nails are already done and all of that, but in the event that I don't have nails on, or I don't feel like going to the nail tech, but I still want to look put together, I still want to look cute, I want to wear press-ons. So I decided to go get some press-ons. And these ones are some French tips. Let me open it on up. So I got me some French tips because I think that French tips are just really classy, and they're short and cute just the way I like them. Like, I don't like too much design going on my nails, and I'm happy that it came with so many different nails because my nail beds are really small, so it's always hard for me to find press-ons that actually fit. So I'm glad that there's variety. Like, even this big one, I feel like that one I can't go up on my toe, but anyways, yeah, got some press-ons. I don't know, as a young lady, I don't know why I never have no belt. I not have no belt, so I decided I was just gonna get these 3 belts, because what do you mean I not have no belt? Why don't I have no belts? I felt like growing up, everybody always used to have their cute little slim belts, and I just didn't have a belt. Even if I don't need a belt, I can just have a belt. I feel like sometimes belts make it look more elevated, make it look more put together. Don't matter what type of belt it is. I got it in black, white, and brown. I don't know, I just think they're cute. So we're done with the fashion part of this haul, and we're gonna go into the home decor, home essentials part of this haul. So I got this rug that says wasted. I feel like it was just so cute, so me. As you can see, look at the decor already. Like I have a whole skull and the black and white abstract art on my bed. So I just felt like I needed this rug in my room. I like the size of it. I love the pop of red. I felt like in here it needed to have a pop of color, and I felt like red was just perfect because black, red, white, like those are just my colors. Y'all know I have a little bit of gothic emo energy to me sometimes, so I just feel like this fits perfectly with my aesthetic that I got going on. Next up, my chairs needed to be covered badly. I was this close to just throwing them away, like getting somebody to clean them up and sell them. I don't know why in the world I decided to get white dining chairs, like a white dining set. It was driving me crazy. At one point I just stopped sitting in those chairs, so I'm happy that I got these chair covers and they fit perfectly. As I said, I am renovating the whole apartment, so everything is gonna be black and white, you hear me? So I'm happy that I got the black for the chairs, and I feel like it's cute to just leave the table white and keep the chairs black. Let me know in the comments if y'all like that or you preferred when it was white. Either way, I don't care, I'm keeping it black. Hello. And with that being said, I also got this couch cover because, again, I wanted to change my couch because I'm just not feeling the turquoise. Initially I wanted green and they didn't have that color, so I settled for the turquoise. And I don't know, I'm just not feeling the turquoise anymore. I feel like I either want black or beige or white or one of those colors. So I got this couch cover. This is kind of more like a khaki though, khaki, beigeish, brownish type of vibe, but yeah, it's still a little bit better than the turquoise. So.
People, I did what I could and I could what I did. This did not fit properly, but yeah, just pretend you see the vision.
I got this pots and pans holder for my kitchen. Now initially I was gonna put it on the floor, right? But I felt like I didn't like it on the floor. One, it's too low, and two, I don't know, I just felt like it looked better on the countertop. I'm probably not gonna put pots and pans. I'm probably just gonna keep like fruits and vegetables. As you can see, the blender is around the back. It wasn't hard to set up at all, and I think it just looks cute there. I think it elevates the space a little bit, and that's why I'm not gonna put too much on it because I don't want it to look cluttered. So as you can see, my little vegetable they're on it right now, and I think that's what it's gonna be used for. And last but not least on the list, listen, as I get older and my back is not so strong anymore, I felt like this was a necessity. I felt like this was the greatest invention ever, because it's me love to sit down. I love to sit down. What do you mean I'm walking with a stool on my shoulder? I literally open it up and it's a stool, and I can park my butt somewhere if I'm too tired of standing. Now it's a little bit low. It's very low, but it is what it is. It's better than sitting on the floor. Like if I am standing up somewhere for too long and my legs are giving out on me, I just pop that out, flip that out, and sit down. Everybody go bad mind me. And I feel like it's perfect for concerts or stuff like that, where a lot of people have to bring their own chairs, or when they get to the event they have to buy chairs. I don't gotta do that. I just gotta bring my little stool with me and we're good to go. And when we're done, I just fold it back up, put it on my shoulder, and I'm out the door. Literally nobody would ever know that it's an actual stool. I don't know, I think this might be one of my favorite things out of this entire haul, because what do you mean? But yeah, that is the end of my, what do you call it, apartment finds from TEMU. Don't forget to use my code. It'll be up on the screen once again, so you can get $20 off. And thank you to TEMU for sponsoring Young World's video and sending me all of these wonderful stuff to upgrade my life, upgrade my apartment, and have a girl looking fly. Yeah, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.